Hey guys, what's up? I am Lisa Udechukwu, and if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Make sure you're subscribed down below. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this popular crisscross hairstyle. So I started on a neatly washed hair already. I washed my hair the day before. I don't know how people wash their hair equally and then they start making their hair the same day. For me, wash days are usually very long. I have a very thick hair, so I usually spend pretty much the whole day washing my hair. I'm going to be sectioning out my hair into two parts. The front part is where the crisscross is going to be, and the back is where the crochet is going to be. So for the crisscross part, I'll be sectioning it out into 4 parts. So I'm doing 4 because that's what I wanted. I've seen people do 5, and have I seen 6? No, I've seen people do 5, so you can really do what you want. So I sectioned out mine into 4, and then I'll be starting off with the first part. So for the first part, for every section of this 4, you're going to want to divide it into 4 equal parts, because it's 2 in front and 2 behind. So you're going to be crisscrossing the one on the left hand side with the one on the right hand side behind. So I'll just allow you guys watch this part closely so that you can understand what I'll be doing. So I was done with the front. The front took me about 30 minutes to be done or less. And then for the back, you want to just plait your hair all the way to the back so that you'd be able to crochet the hair onto it. So I went ahead to braid my hair. I didn't care if it looked neat or not. I actually wasn't trying to achieve a very neat braid behind. I just wanted something that I would be able to crochet my hair on.